In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install the Microsoft Store on Windows 11. So for an example, if you go to your search bar and you type Store and you don't see the Microsoft Store pop up, all you need to do is go to Search, and what you're looking to type is PowerShell, okay? And then you want to go here in Windows PowerShell, okay? So it's going to start, and then basically what you want to type in here is this. You can go to the description. Okay, let me just show you real quick. You want to go to the description and you want to paste in this, okay? And then once you do that, it'll download the Microsoft Store to your computer. So you'll paste it in there and click enter. And then when you click on search and type store, the Microsoft Store will appear and you'll be able to go ahead and use it. Okay, so if this video helped you out, drop a like on it and subscribe to this channel.